A wonderful Wednesday to all. It's Paul Walton from Cherry Creek Mortgage Company, Mortgage Market Insight on August the 8th. This morning we're going to this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at, we're on Ginnie Mae, which is what FHA and VA loans are based off of for their interest rates. And as you can see, we've kind of fallen out of our channel of staying at between 109.70 and 109.80, which is where we were pretty much trading beforehand, and lost some ground today. We opened at 109.66 up here and then closed down at 109.56. Investors have turned to equities. Equities is they backed off. They're waiting on see what the European central banks are going to do. But be cautious because we're starting to, let's take a longer look. We're starting to fall below this 109.60, which means we could drift to 109.40 or even 109.20 before we stop and try to bounce back up. So depending on how unemployment numbers hit tomorrow, that could definitely sway the markets. We're flipping over to Fannie Mae, which is what conventional loans are based off of now. And we'll take a quick look at how that's looking so far this morning. Again, seeing the top of the market being the 25th of July, and just 3 days of hammer, open, close, open, close, open, close, slams. Opening at 104.03, closing at 103.47. That's a huge drop, and then bouncing back up. So the markets are just all over the place at this point in time. And then here we have today opening at 103.34 and then closing at 103.28. Yesterday 103.38, closing at 103.28. Both days losing ground. Advise until we actually, it's a lean news week, but until we actually see a pattern jumping back up once again, we're heading to a new home, and where that is another thing to be defined at this point in time. So hopefully we can hold at least at 103. Otherwise, we'll be establishing a new home, new trading pattern, and that remains to be seen. So a quick look to how trading looks so far this morning. Our opening at 103.34, and then as you can see, choppy trading throughout the day, and then closing at 103.28. So today locking would have been best early in the morning, obviously, or even at about 9:45ish. So be cautious, have a fabulous day, and I will be back to you on Thursday morning. But watch for Thursday, because if the unemployment numbers come in low, you may see investors actually taking a little bit more profit out of bonds, or taking their money and running into equities. Have a great afternoon. Thanks.